Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English reading practice. In today's lesson, we are going to practice 70 easy English sentences through an inspiring story. Today, you will read an inspiring story about time, failure, and success. Read along with me, sentence by sentence, and practice your English pronunciation, reading, and fluency. Let's begin. Adam was a young college student. He had big dreams for his future. He wanted to become a successful engineer. He wanted to make his parents proud. His parents worked very hard for him, and they believed in his abilities. Adam was intelligent and talented, but he had one serious problem. He wasted too much time every day. He spent hours scrolling on his phone, watched videos late at night, and played games for many hours. He ignored his books and assignments and always said, "I will start tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. Days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months. Time kept moving forward, but Adam did not notice how much time he had lost. His friends studied regularly. They practiced and improved every day. Adam laughed and said he still had enough time. He thought success would come easily. He never made a proper study plan and kept delaying important work. Finally, the exam season arrived. Adam became nervous. He opened his books at the last moment, but everything looked difficult to him. He could not understand many topics. He stayed awake all night before the exam, but it was too late. He was not prepared at all. He failed most of his subjects. He felt ashamed and heartbroken. He stopped believing in himself. He thought his future was ruined and avoided talking to his friends. One evening, he sat alone in a park. An old man noticed his sad face and sat beside him. He asked, "Why are you so unhappy?" Adam told him everything. He spoke about his mistakes and failures. The old man listened carefully. Then he smiled kindly and said, "Failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson for a better beginning. You cannot change yesterday, but you can change today." Every successful person has failed at some point. The difference is that they never gave up. Adam listened carefully. Those words touched his heart deeply. He decided to change his life. The next morning, he woke up early and made a daily study plan. He reduced his screen time and used his phone only for learning. He studied a little every day. He read English for 30 minutes daily and practiced instead of making excuses. Slowly, his confidence returned. His teachers noticed the change, and his friends became inspired by him. Months passed with hard work and discipline. The next exam arrived. This time Adam was ready. He achieved excellent results and changed his life forever. He finally understood that time is the most valuable treasure in life. Time is your greatest treasure. Learn from failure, start today, stay disciplined, and never give up on your dreams. Thank you so much for reading this story with me. I hope this lesson helped you improve your English and inspired you to value your time. Keep practicing English every day and never stop learning. See you in the next English reading practice. Have a wonderful day.